First, we need to plan how we want to make the forest look like. Then we prepare the wire. The wire about 20 until 25 cm. Use wire to hold mesh and keep it under the pot. Make sure it is tight. We use one wire to hold two trees. Make sure you measure between two holes with the wire. If the small hole not enough, we can use the AB glue to help and make more wires, then it help hold the tree. Right now, we take off the old soil, then separate tall trees and short trees. Then we cut a little bit older roots and a little bit branch and leaf. Then let the trees easy grow in the pot. We need to prepare the Akadama Soil, put it in the pot first. Then let us wire each one to hold on the tree one by one. Make sure you can see the different trees from the different direction. Then we can put more Akadama Soil on the top. We cut the trunk. That is every tree's different height. Right now, we put on some dry moss we call magical powder. Just need us 3 seconds. Spray a little bit water, they will become too green. Then put on some beautiful rock, look like a mountain.